Hey, it's Jackie with Salutza Software. In this video, I'm going to go through how to create a Google form and post that as a news item on your website, but then also how to get those submissions of that form and that information. So I've received a request to create a form for families to submit their graduate's name, um, graduation location, and or like entity or school, and whether it's for high school and college. To mention their plans after graduation. So that's the text I received in the form. So I'm going to start by being in Google Drive. That we don't have a link to, well, I guess the forms results would be links you directly to Google Drive and folders that are shared with you. So it's possible that we've shared a folder with you if we made any forms for you for your website. In Drive, I'm going to go to, I have to be logged into a Google account. I'm going to click New on the left and choose a Google form. I'm going to create and share, so it's going to be in that shared folder. That's only if you want Saluzio to be able to edit the form as well. Go ahead and put it in the folder that we've shared with you. Graduates, and I'll let you make a different question there. Name of graduate, and this is a short answer, required. We're going to duplicate it. Make another question would be graduating from, and then another one is going to be if high school or college graduate, which I don't have to capitalize those words, so I'll go ahead and do that. What are the graduates' plans for after graduation? And I'm going to go ahead and make this one a paragraph. Okay, I'll change that. Okay, so now the form is created. Another thing I'd like to do is to go grab the color from the website. So we're using, this is an extension called Color Pick Eyedropper. I'm grabbing this hex code, and over here, back here in the form, I'm going to customize the theme. I'm just going to add the color here respectively. Choose add. Changes the color of the form to match. Okay, then I'm going to click send, and then I'm going to grab the embed code from this form and choose copy. In the website, I'm going to click add new article. Submit your graduate's name to be included. Bulletin. Submissions need received by June 14th. To bulletin. Okay. And then I'm going to choose this source code, or there's this toggle editor button, and that allows me to paste the HTML of the embed code of the Google form right into the article. I often change the width to 100% and give the height about 200 more pixels, just so it loads pretty. Here it's going to look like it's very narrow, and my email address showing up is just part of Google's way of detecting what a Google account someone is logged into. So anybody will see their respective email address on this form on the website. So I'm going to choose save and close. And then I'm going to refresh the home page. My default picture is showing up in that news article. So obviously that picture can be changed, which if you've been through our training, you should be able to know where to change that picture. I'm going to click this article to look at it, and sure enough, there's that form. And then something I should go back and do is make this last question not required. I'm going to take off that requirement. And then, okay, so the form's created. It's been added to the website. I'll make sure this is shared out with the respective individual who's going to have access to it. The other thing is that in here, let me refresh the screen, and this form should say graduates. Actually here over here under settings, responses, link to sheets. Go ahead and create a new spreadsheet. Great. That's opening up in a new tab. Other things I need to look at under settings. I want to make sure it's not restricted to just my organization. And then if you wanted to, I think there was one more thing I was going to say if you could change your welcome message, but I will try to do that in another video if I even do that. Anyway, so here's the spreadsheet, and the in order to receive notifications about this, there's an option under Tools, Notification Settings, and Edit Notifications. A person can only sign themselves up to receive notifications when a user submits a form, either Daily Digest or right away, and choose Save. And then I can delete my own notification, but I can't help set that up for somebody else. So go ahead and go through those steps if you want to receive the notifications. Or just know to come back to your Google Drive folder, to see those responses and open up a spreadsheet to look for them and respectively include that information in the bulletin. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.